Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 16 December 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because you know current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has won the Social Entrepreneur of the Year award? Deepika Sharma, Ashraf Patel, Priyanka Chopra, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B here, Ashraf Patel. Recently, Ashraf Patel has won the Social Entrepreneur of the Year award instituted by Swap Foundation and Jubilant Bhartiya Foundation. Remember the name? Name is Ashraf Patel. Our second question was, who has announced to launch communication satellite CMS-1? ISRO, DRDO, NASA, or option D, JAXA? The correct answer here is option A, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Recently, ISRO has announced to launch the communication satellite CMS-1. The headquarters of the ISRO is situated in Bengaluru, and the chief of ISRO is K. Sivan. K. Sivan. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of our today's session is, 2023 FIH Men's Hockey World Cup will be hosted in which state? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, or option D, Jharkhand? The correct answer here is option A here, Odisha. The International Hockey Federation, the abbreviation of FIH is International Hockey Federation. Recently, the FIH had decided the 2023 FIH Men's Hockey World Cup will be hosted in Odisha. Okay, Odisha is in news. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Mr. Naveen Patnaik is the Chief Minister of Odisha, and Professor Ganesh Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. In which state Ola is going to set up world's largest scooter factory? Bihar, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, or option D, West Bengal? In which state? Answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Ola has signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government to set up its world's largest scooter factory in Tamil Nadu, an investment of about 2400 crore. Okay, 2400 crore. Okay, Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. E.K. Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Banwari Lal Purohit is the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, next question. 9th Sustainable Mountain Development Summit held in which city? Kolkata, Dehradun, Delhi, or option D, Mumbai? In which city? The answer is option B here, Dehradun. The 9th edition of the Sustainable Mountain Development Summit SMDS Sustainable Mountain Development Summit held in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Okay, it is Dehradun is in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is in news. There is two capital in Uttarakhand. One is winter capital. Dehradun is the winter capital, and Garsen is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Baby Rani Moria is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has released a white paper titled Vision 2035 Public Health Surveillance in India? Who has released this? MHA, DRDO, Niti Aayog, or option D, none of these? The answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Recently, Niti Aayog has released a white paper titled Vision, remember the name, Vision 2035 Public Health Surveillance in India. It is released on 14 December 2020. Okay, Niti Aayog is in news. The CEO of Niti Aayog is, remember, Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant is the CEO of Niti Aayog, and the chairperson of Niti Aayog is Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi is the chairperson of Niti Aayog. Okay, Niti Aayog is established in the replacement of Planning Commission. Okay. Next question. Who has been received the Goldman Environmental Prize 2020 for Asia? Paul Sintawa, Amit Kumar, Narayan Singh, or option D, none of these? Which will be the correct answer here? Can you guess the answer? The answer is option A here, Paul Sintawa. Recently, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN Asia Regional Office awarded Paul Sintawa. You can see here the image. Okay, the Paul Sintawa for the Goldman Environmental Prize 2020 for Asia. Okay. Next question. India plans to impose new tariff on imports of solar cell from which year? 2021, 2022, 2023, or option D, 2025. From which year? It is from 2022. India plans to impose new tariff on imports of the solar cell and modules from 1st April 2022. Okay, so answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following has introduced hashtag got you covered campaign? Hashtag got you covered campaign. Bharti AXA Life Insurance, ICICI Bank Life Insurance Corporation of India, or option D, none of these? Answer is option A here, Bharti AXA Life Insurance. Recently, Bharti AXA Life Insurance has introduced hashtag got you covered campaign. It is a special initiative to appreciate frontline healthcare workers who are striving to protect the people from the COVID-19 pandemic. In the COVID-19 situation, it is launched to appreciate the frontline health worker. Okay. Next question. The Swadhinata Sadak between India and which country will be started from March 2021? From which country? The answer is Bangladesh. Okay, the Swadhinata Sadak between Bangladesh and India will be opened on 26 March 2021, and the name is Swadhinata Sadak. Remember, this question is very much important in exam perspective view. Okay, Bangladesh is in news. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, currency is Taka, and Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. In Kargil, the first service of which helicopter started between Kargil to Srinagar? What is the answer here? What is the name of the helicopter? The name of the helicopter is option C, Pawan Hans Mi-17. Recently in Kargil, the first service of Pawan Hans Mi-17 helicopter between Kargil to Srinagar started on 13 December 2020. Remember, this question is also important because it is launched in because it is started firstly. Okay, it is the initiative is okay, and then remember the name of the helicopter is Pawan Hans Mi-17. Next question. Which country will host 2021 European Karate Championship? Spain, Brazil, Croatia, or option D, Germany? Which country? The answer here is Croatia. Option C is correct here. Croatia will host the 2021 European Karate Championship after withdrawal of the Sweden. Previously, it is decided the Sweden will host this championship, but after withdrawal from the Sweden, it is confirmed by the European Karate Federation that Croatia will host the 2021 European Karate Championship. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, let's see. Our first question of the today's session is you have to give the answer. Who has won the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2020? Our second question is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has decided to establish an ABPC in which city? Please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby, a regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for your competitive examinations. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related Facebook and WhatsApp group. Thereby, many students got help. Okay, and thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thereby, many students got help. If you like the session, you must share it. Okay, and those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.